Hi everyone. In this video we'll see how to add voices to your characters in your story.
Hello, Uncle. We have heard news about coronavirus.
Do we need to worry?
Kids, do you know what are viruses?
No. What are viruses?
Viruses are like germs. They are very small infectious particles that live inside of living organisms.
Can we see them?
No, they are so small that we can't see from naked eyes.
Oh,
How does virus spread?
Virus can't move on its own, but they spread easily through touch.
how come? Please explain.
Let's say if you have cold and wipe your running nose with the back of your hand. After that, if you shake hand with your friend, then you can pass the virus to your friends.
Is it?
Yes,
Are there other ways through which virus can infect us?
yes, virus can float and move through air.
Really?
This is why doctors and teachers always advise to cover your mouth when you sneeze or cough.
What does a virus do in our body?
Once a virus enter our body, they try to capture a cell and control the cell to make more viruses.
What are the symptoms of coronavirus?
Cough, cold, headache, fever, dry cough and problem in breathing are the symptoms which might appear after the exposure.
How can we protect ourselves from the virus?
Wear a mask whenever you're outside in a public place. You should get a COVID-19 vaccine as soon as you can. Stay 6 feet away from others and avoid close contact with people who are sick. Avoid crowds like in restaurants, bars, fitness centers, etc. and poorly ventilated spaces. Wash your hands often with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. Always cover your mouth and nose with a tissue when you cough or sneeze, or use the inside of your elbow and do not spit. Clean high-touch surfaces daily. This includes tables, doorknobs, light switches, countertops, handles, desks, phones, keyboards, toilets, faucets, and sinks.
Thank you, Uncle.
Thank you, Uncle.
So I have here character this boy and I have set the voice to tenor, and then I'm just using this save block to display a message permanently. Then I'm using this speak block to speak the same message, and once it is done speaking, I'm using the save block again to like just hide this message by passing a empty string like to this block. Then so once this particular sentence is done, I'm again waiting for like few seconds for the others to complete their sentence. Then again the same thing repeat. These three lines will repeat again and again. So it will again display a message, then it will speak the same message, then it will hide the message. Again it will wait for some second, again it will display a message, speak that message, hide that message. And if your message is like longer than a particular limit and it is not able to speak, you can like break your speak block into two different blocks and like passing half of sentences to each block. So here I have set the voice to giant for this doctor, and for this girl I have set the voice to alto. This images you can download from Google. You just search like Dr. PNG clip art and you can like download your images. And then once you have downloaded your image, you can simply upload your sprite. And like I have done some photo editing also, but that's okay for you. Another thing like what I've done is like I have reduced this size to 60 and set its position to some particular location, and then I have put this direction as 80. So I have tilted that girl and boy little to the left side. So this is like a 90-degree by default, but like I have tilted it to 80-degree. The same goes for doctor. Like I've tilted the doctor towards this girl and boy. So like instead of 90, I've tilted it to 100. And the same goes for this boy. So again here I have set the size as 60 because it was big. Set its location and like direction again I have tilted it little bit towards the left. So I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.